What's up, y'all? I'm on my lunch break and I am starving. So I remember that I bought these wild caught Chipotle salmon burgers from Aldi. They was on clearance for like $3.99. And I was like, let me just try them out just to have something. So this is the package. Okay, let me turn it over. So I'm going to be putting mine in the air fryer. It says you can cook them in a conventional oven for 7 to 8 minutes on each side. But I'm going to put mine in the air fryer. I think I'm going to put it on I'll put it on 400 and I'll just put it on 10 minutes. And try that and see what's up. So it's 4 burgers in here, but I'm only going to be cooking one for me. I put some foil in the bottom of my air fryer, and this is how the patty looks. I sprayed it, and now I'm going to put it in. You know what I'm saying? Let it go. Let it get popping. I'm going to put it on 400 for 10 minutes. There is a fish setting, so 400 times 10 minutes, and I'm just going to check it about halfway through. If I need to add more time, I will. If I need to take it out early, I will. While that's going, I'm going to get my bun situation together. I'm going to be using these brioche buns. And I got these from Aldi as well. Of course, you can top your burger with whatever you choose, but I'm going to do a little lettuce, tomato, and banana pepper. Also, some mayo. And maybe a little spicy brown mustard. I'm not sure yet. 5 minutes have gone by. I just want to take a peek at it. I can't help myself. Well, 6 minutes now. Okay. I'm going to let it keep going. Okay, so the first 10 minutes is up, and this is what we have so far. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over and cook it for about 5 more minutes. It tore a little bit just because it don't look like all the way cooked to me. So I'm going to put it back in there for 5 more minutes. And that should do it. 100. Alright. Because for the instructions, it said 6 to 8 minutes on each side. So yeah, that's about right. I pulled the pack back out because I was trying to see. Now, these are Chipotle salmon burgers. So I'm wondering about the seasoning on it. It don't say nothing about... It says thawing is not recommended. Cook from frozen. So yeah, I was really trying to see about seasoning. So I'm thinking that everything is already in it. All the flavor is already in it. This is my first time. Yeah, they had some other ones too, but I was like, I don't know. And I walked on by. Then I came back. I was like, I'm going to try this. I hope they got some more. If they good now. If they good, I'm going to let y'all know. Got my bun together. So I had these chilling in the refrigerator. So I heated it up in the microwave for a few seconds just to soften it back up. Normally I would like toast my bun, but I'm not doing all that today. Yeah, so I got everything stacked up. Got the mayo on this side, and I got a little bit of spicy mustard on this side. Light, real light. Not doing any cheese, just because I really want to, you know, taste the quality of the meat. Even though I got all these toppings and stuff, but look, I like toppings on my burger. Okay. What will I be drinking with my lunch, you ask? Some green tea, my favorite. Arizona. Mm-hmm. Oh, and I managed to get me some potatoes going too. So I got me some oven fries. Yep. All right. So that's the burger. I think it's ready. It's supposed to hit an internal temperature of 165. I'm just eyeballing it though. Yeah, let me get it on my plate. I didn't want to overcook it or burn it, but I wanted y'all to see how it looks close up. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take a little piece. I'm gonna pinch a little piece off with my finger, y'all. This real cooking right here. Just so I can tell y'all how it tastes before I dig in. Okay. Kind of reminds me of a salmon croquette. It don't need no seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna stack this on top. And that's my burger. That's my lunch. Got my fries and a little ketchup. Just another shot of the burger. Now I'm getting ready to dig in. Here goes nothing. Okay. You can definitely tell that it's fish. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so this is my first time having a salmon burger. It's not dry. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of like a salmon croquette. Uh-oh. I really don't taste the chipotle aspect of it though. But it's seasoned. This is good for a quick lunch. But I had already put my fries on when I first walked through the door, so that took 20 minutes. And the burger took 15. It definitely has that fishy type taste. So be ready for that. I may do cheese next time. You could actually do this with some grits in the morning too. Like if you ain't feel like doing no salmon croquettes. That's really what it reminds me of, except it don't have that crispy like crunch on the outside. Ooh. This is definitely not something you want to overcook. Put my tomato back on now. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, I'm about to get finished with my lunch. I just wanted to share this video. I'm probably gonna, if I see some more, I will grab them because I had another kind too. You know, just to have something quick when you don't feel like eating out or whatever. Yeah, so. This is a pretty decent lunch, I'd say. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.